In just over 3 weeks, the CDC eviction moratorium will end, and recent reports show nearly 200,000 Nevada households are at risk for eviction. 8 News Now reporter Kate Houston spoke to the Legal Aid Center of Southern Nevada, which is working around the clock to help tenants understand their rights in this process.
Families are just really struggling right now, and so we've had an unprecedented volume of calls from tenants requesting our help.
Taylor Altman is an attorney with the Legal Aid Center of Southern Nevada. She says it's important for tenants to understand that if they receive a notice from their landlord, they need to file an answer in court.
Even if they've applied for rental assistance, even if they've given the CDC declaration to their landlord, they should definitely go ahead and file that with the court, to make sure that they get a hearing and they can present their side of the story and any defenses they might have to eviction.
When filing, tenants who have a notice for non-payment of rent can also take part in the new eviction mediation program. A neutral third party will help the landlord and tenant reach some kind of resolution on back rent.
In that case, they might be able to avoid court altogether. So the mediation program is excellent, and I would recommend that tenants, seriously consider that option.
For those that have exhausted all options and need to leave, the Legal Aid Center understands the housing market is tight right now, especially if a tenant has an eviction on their record.
They can call us and we can see if this is something we could potentially help them seal. And so future landlords would not be able to see those cases, and it wouldn't prejudice them in their housing search.
The Legal Aid Center is helping tenants fill out court documents and answering questions they may have. Attorney consultations are available for those with more complex cases. Kate Houston, 8 News Now.
The CDC eviction moratorium will expire on December 31st, while the Legal Aid Center is unsure if there will be an extension. They are hopeful the CDC and federal government will act soon.